Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the keto diet. If you're looking to shed some pounds, boost your energy, or just want to know the keto secrets you need to know right now, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, what exactly is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into a state of ketosis. That's where your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Now, let's break down the macros. On a typical keto diet, you're aiming for about 70 to 75% of your calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This means you'll have to say goodbye to bread, pasta, and sugary snacks, but fear not. There are plenty of tasty alternatives. Think cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, or zucchini noodles in place of pasta. There are endless options to keep your meals satisfying and delicious. Now, let's talk about some common keto mistakes. Many people think they can eat unlimited fats and lose weight. That's not entirely true. Portion control is crucial even on a keto diet. Mistake number 1, overeating fats. While healthy fats are essential, too much can stall your weight loss. Focus on quality over quantity. Mistake number 2, ignoring hidden carbs. Be sure to read labels and track your intake. Sauces, dressings, and even some vegetables can pack a carb punch. Next secret, meal prep. Planning can save you from falling off the keto wagon. Prepare snacks and meals in advance so you're never caught without a keto-friendly option. Secret number 3, stay hydrated. When you cut carbs, your body loses a lot of water. Drink plenty of fluids and consider electrolyte supplementation to keep your energy up. Many people have seen incredible transformations on the keto diet, whether it's losing weight, gaining energy, or improving mental clarity. Keto can work wonders. To wrap it up, here are your keto secrets in a nutshell. Understand your macros. Don't overdo the fats. Watch out for hidden carbs. Prepare meals in advance. Stay hydrated. So, are you ready to embark on your keto journey? Remember, it's about creating a sustainable lifestyle, not just a diet. Join our community for more tips, recipes, and motivation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy keto dieting, and we'll see you in the next video.